Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today's video is FlyLady Baby Step Day 17. And so today's baby step is to set a bedtime. If you're anything like me, this one's going to be a little bit of a challenge because I do like to stay up late. I don't know if you guys have heard of like bedtime rebellion or something like that, where because you're giving to other people all day, once it's nighttime, even though you should go to sleep, you just want to stay up and do whatever it is that you want to do. So I would just encourage you to pick a time that you can personally commit to. Don't worry about it being early enough or being a time that you think is like socially acceptable. Just pick a time that you can personally hit every night and commit to that time. I love also that FlyLady has a tip for today that you should start your before bed routine right after dinner. And that's helpful because before bed kind of implies that you would do it right before you're heading to bed. But for me, that can be a little bit of a challenge because once it's time for bed, I need to be getting into bed, not still having things I need to do. I kind of like relaxing to be the last thing I do before I go to bed. And so I love that she has harped on this for today, that our before bed routine can be right after dinner so we can get out of the way. So by the time we're like crashing on the couch, which is what I do at the end of the night, that can be the last thing we do before we head to sleep. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel to follow along to the rest of the 31 days of baby steps. Follow me over on Instagram to see what I'm posting over there and let me know how the challenge is going for you. And there's a link below with a free calendar that you can print out and follow along with all the days of baby steps. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.